Welcome! Today, we're guiding you through deleting your PS4 account safely and efficiently. Before diving in, remember that deleting your account is permanent. Think carefully before proceeding. Navigate to your PS4 home screen and select Settings. This is where all the magic begins. Under Account Management, choose Account Information. It's time to manage your account's fate. Now, scroll down to Delete Account and make sure this is what you really want to do. Confirm your choice. After this, your account will be gone for good. Make sure you're ready. Once deleted, all data is irretrievable. Consider downloading your important files first. Take a moment to reflect on your decision. Account deletion is not just a click, it's a choice. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll successfully delete your PS4 account in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming, and see you next time. Always remember, gaming is about enjoyment. Make choices that bring you joy.